Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Manifesting with Shiv Amod. On this channel we talk everything about law of assumption and practical ways to implement it in your daily life. Also, I have made few videos related to thought, mindset and manifestation. If you would like to watch them, I'll link them in the description box below. Now let's get into today's video. Today, let's relax together. Today, let's meditate with each other. Hand over your heart and let's start with deep breathing. Start breathing. Deep inhalation till your stomach and then exhale through your mouth. Inhale till stomach, exhale through mouth. Inhale through stomach, exhale through mouth. Inhale through stomach, exhale through mouth. Just focus on your breathing. Become conscious of it. You do not have to hold your breath. Let your breathing come to its own rhythm. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now, once you see your breathing has been relaxed, start focusing on the middle of your forehead, between your eyebrows. A mild focus. Let your thoughts pop in and let them go. Do not indulge with anything. Create an image of your divine or your higher self. If you're having too many thoughts, start breathing again. Focus on your breath. Once you're calm, start telling yourself, I am divine. Start repeating that thought in your mind. I am divine. and see the transient nature of those thoughts which are coming and going on the surface. And you keep telling yourself, I am divine. I am divine. And those thoughts which are coming and going do not have any power over you. I am blessed with the most beautiful life. I am truly blessed with everything. Thank you, Divine Power. Thank you, my higher self, for everything. I am blessed. I am truly blessed. I am having all my divine love in this moment. I am experiencing everything in this moment. And now imagine a white light creating a surface over you, your whole body, covering your whole body. The divine protection. Your higher self is protecting you all over. Imagine white, pink, green, blue lights all over you. Now, open your eyes slowly and smile, thanking the divine higher self for everything. Practices like this really calms you down. Practice this every day and it will really help you to uplift your mood. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share your views in the comment box below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and I'll see you in my next one.